Hey, this is Mark out of Graveyard Run Restorations in Tennessee. I'm looking for a few good employees. I'm trying to find me a new mechanic. Plenty of work here. I'm looking for somebody who's got 10, 15, 20 years experience. If you're retired and you want a part-time job even, I'm looking for a good mechanic. Very thorough. You can see a car behind me is what we work on. You can go to my YouTube site. You can go to Graveyard Run YouTube. You can go to Graveyard Run Facebook. Check out what we do here. I've brought in people from all over the country. I'd like to bring in a new employee as far as a new mechanic that really can tear a car all the way down to every nut and bolt and put it back together. Don't take it from just me. Take it from a former employee that worked for me.
My name's Elliot Slack. I worked with Graveyard Run Restorations for a little over a year. Unfortunately, I had to move away, so I had to say goodbye, but I can honestly say that the year that I had with Mark Siebold and Graveyard Run Restorations and the people that worked there, they became like family to me. If you're honestly looking to get into this industry, or maybe you're in this industry already and you're looking for a home that you're going to learn from and you're going to work on vehicles and the owner's going to care not only about you, but they're going to care about the car, this is the place to go. I can't say enough good things about the company, the clients that they deal with, the cars that they have in there. If you want to work on rare cars and you want to be part of almost the entire build, then this is the place to be. The vast amount of knowledge that you're going to gain through working with these guys is going to be second to none. I didn't drive an hour and 20 minutes one way for a year because it was a bad place to work. So just wanted to give a shout out to Graveyard Run Restorations and Mark Siebold. You guys are great. Anybody that you get that wants to learn, that wants to do the job right, is going to succeed and flourish in this industry with you guys.
But get an idea of what we're doing here. Take a look at this Nash Ambassador. It's completely redone, every nut and bolt. I pop the hood open, you can go through it. This is the kind of mechanic I need that can take care of a car that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And if you take a look, you can see the engine compartment, everything that's being done. Every single thing that is toe tagged and labeled as we go through it. You can walk around and check out the inside of the car. This is one of our other mechanics that's been taking care of everything and putting this together. Let me shut this up and you can walk around the rest of it. And then you can get some ideas from some of the other things in the shop, what we have to offer here.